Hello, welcome back to Soulcreative. This is Sarah. I just wanted to share this little ephemera folio slash little mini notepad journal kind of deal. Kind of like a hybrid in a way. This is using a gift bag that I got last year, and it's beautiful. I just love it. It's the craft with the beautiful silver snowflakes on it, and as soon as I seen it, I knew I wanted to do something with it. So this is what I come up with. I did use Artie Maze's kit, Winter's Tale. I had some scraps left over, so I did make it. I do have a punch where this is an edge punch, and I found that by putting the two edge pieces after you cut them off of the paper, it makes snowflakes. So I thought that was really unique and cute. And then inside I just took scraps of the paper bag that I cut off. I did make tags out of them, or I made some used some papers and just made some tags that flip open to add some additional journaling in them. Here's a tag. This one flips down and has the owl on the back. And then this one is part of the bag as well. It's just a tag. Because I wanted to decorate the front up just a little bit. I did put a button closure on these. And these are vintage buttons that I had. So you open it up, and this is the bottom of the bag. I decorated it up. I made this closure. I did add a Velcro on here. And you have a pocket down here and up there that you could put something in. You could put photos on here. You could add whatever you'd like. I didn't cover this up. I just left it raw, but I think it looks cute and it serves its purpose. This right here is a tag from the kit. I just added some of this beautiful paper on the side there. There's a tuck spot here and a tuck spot there. You could tuck things on the side of the edges here. Let me show you. So that's what you could do right there. And this is that punch that I was telling you about. You take the negative and put them together and it makes a snowflake. So, and I just use big book pages for these. This is like an ephemera folio where you could add some ephemera in here. And I didn't sew around these, but you could have, but the way I put them in there, I don't know if I would miss the other side, so I didn't fool with it. But over here I just added a envelope. I made a faux envelope back here, and then you could journal over top of that. Another tuck spot right here. And then there's a tuck spot here. And this one flips open. You got a tuck spot here, tuck spot there, tuck spot there, little tuck spot, nope, right here, and a tuck spot there. And then you got your big tuck spot back here. And then over here is a tuck spot. This actually flips open and you can journal inside of here. And then this holds it down. You do have a tuck spot down here as well. Back here is another tag. And then I just added this cardstock. I figured you could add photos to it. or whatever you'd like. This one kind of looks like an envelope, so I velcroed it to where you could tuck something inside there. Yeah, and then here's the back. And then the back is open, so even though the closure is on here, you can loosen these. And I did put some cardstock in here, so it's kind of like a file. So you have like a file where you can put stuff in there. And it's really cute. Another way of using recycling a bag to where it would be trash if not. So I thought that was cute. I just thought I would share that with you guys. I'm gonna tie these up and then I will show you another thing that I come up with. I thought was a cute idea. Mailer that I got in the mail. My husband used to dip, he used to chew, and he no longer does, but they would always send him these huge envelopes in the mail, and they were always cute. This one said Happy Holidays, so I just cut it a little bit, because if I wanted to add this into a journal, I could do that. So this is, and it's not exact center, but you know, like I said, I wanted to add it to a journal if I could. So I added joy up at the top here, and that is a tuck, but I do have the sticky from the envelope. And then this opens up, and I did make the envelope out of vellum. So this is a heavier vellum. I showed in one of my videos several months ago that if you spray them with oxide spray, that's the effect that you get on vellum. So then I used one of the pockets from this printable. I'll link below where I got this from. And then I just added the tag. I backed it with some cardstock. This is another one of those little labels. I used it as a tag topper. And then on the back, I made a tag and I made an older paper clip. And then I had this digital, which I'm not positive who it's from, but I will link that below as well. Made a little notepad out of that. And then just added my older paper clip on top to hold that down, and it just gets tucked in here. And there's a tucks pocket behind there that's made out of vintage wallpaper. Then I took some baker's twine, I just slipped it through there, and I made a little journal from all the leftover papers I had. And yeah, so I just sewed it into the middle of the envelope and just added a couple papers. And then you can also tie this off and keep it shut. But yeah, I just thought that was cute, and you could add this to the center of a journal, or you could add it as a page of a journal, because I did add a hinge on here, and if I do that, I would secure this with some washi tape. But yeah, you can add this into your journal. I did put one of these labels, kind of remind me of a stamp, up here in the corner, and then I covered it up with one of these labels with a little bit of scrap paper behind it where the address was, and then added a belly band and another one of these tags. Super cute. Used one little freebie that I got from a lady on YouTube. I think it's she has one of those buy me a coffee or whatever, and I gave her a couple bucks, and then I got the additional kit. So I will link her below on that one as well, but I thought I would share these with you. Something unique and you could do with what you have laying around, or what you get in the mail, what you get for a gift. So, until then, I will see you when I see you. Thank you so much, everybody, and happy holidays, Merry Christmas, a Happy New Year. See you when I see you. Later.